Okay, so let's take a look at the recordings we already have. We have previously created the select linked element, the select linked parameter, and then validate element connection and validate empty element connection. So first we will create duplicate of the select linked parameter and select linked element, so that we can use our new identifiers. We will need a duplicate recording, and then we will need a recording to select the source instance and a recording to select the destination instance. Okay, so first I'll create a duplicate of the select linked element. So I'll add new item recording and I'll call it select linked table element. Okay, let's create this one. So all of my actions are very similar. So what I'm going to do is from the select linked element, I will copy all of my actions, just select everything, use Ctrl C, selecting linked table element, I'll use Ctrl V, but the element combo box, if we take a closer look, it's the one from the parameter tree item. So now I will replace that with the one in the duplicated item so that we can use our second identifier later on. Okay, so filter combo box stays the same, generic list item stays the same, so that's the only thing I need to replace here. Okay, we can save that one. Okay, and then let's do the same for the parameters. So I'll create a new recording. Select linked table parameter. Create it. Okay, let's quickly save the previous ones. Okay, I'm going to open up this select link parameter. Again, copy everything, paste it in the select linked table parameter. Okay, and this parameter combo box I'll replace with the parameter combo box from the duplicated item. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so next recording we'll need to create is one to select the source instance. Okay, it's very similar to the select linked table parameter. So I'm going to start from this one. Again, copy everything, select source instance, but instead of the parameter combo box, we will be using the source index combo box. Maybe better to rename it to source instance and linked instance so it's consistent with the naming in Cube. Okay, so source instance, we open it up, and we get the filter in. Do we have a filter on those instances? Yes, there's a filter, so we can type here and then select from the drop down, so that stays exactly the same. Okay. Do it for the source instance, and then we have one more recording to create. Save these, and that's the select length instance. So I can again copy everything over and just change the source instance to the linked instance, and that's it. Okay, so that's all of the recordings we need to get started. Wait, it's not all the recordings we need. We need one more, duplication. Okay, so let's go back, create one more, add new item, recording. I'm going to call this one duplicate element connection. Okay, so let's move into our tree. So workspace, cards, apps, element connections, configuration, or tree item. And yeah, that's the one we need. So we need one of the tree items, so a unique selection based on parameter name and an instance that's already there. Okay, and we want to not left click it, but right click it. Can be in the center, that's okay. And see, so we right click and then we have a pop-up with duplicate. Let's bring up Spy again to see how we can identify that one. It's probably going to be one of the basic context menu things. So we're going to track. I'm going to use the F12 button to temporarily disable tracking, and then select the duplicate button. So it's a menu item, but text duplicate, really easy, and it's where is it? So it's we have an automation ID for the element connections context menu. Let's see what we have already in Studio. So we're in the context menu. I'm gonna go with the generic one, so that's just it was not list item, it was context menu item, I think. Let's circle back, it's a menu item. So generic menu item, okay. Click that and let's configure it from variables. New active text is duplicate. Okay, and I don't want to use that in all of my repo. Okay, and that should do it. Okay, and then we can start building our test cases.